Hello everyone, this is Math World channel. Today, let me discuss few questions about this factor theorem. Those who need this factor theorem, you just refer in description box. I will add that. Now, example number 23. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following. So, first we need to take this x minus 1 as a factor in all cases. So, I can assume this given factor as 0. So, x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this, I can find the value of x equal to 1, right? So, I can substitute this x equal to 1 in all cases. So, first is subdivision. P of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. In this case, I can substitute the value of x as 1. So, P of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. That value is 1 plus 1 plus k. It is becomes 2 plus k, right? So, the value of P of 1 is equal to 2 plus k. We already know that if x minus 1 is a factor, I can tell P of 1 is equal to 0. If P of 1 is equal to 0, in right side value 2 plus k is equal to 0. From this, k is equal to minus 2. So, I can find that value of k as minus 2 in first case. Second subdivision, P of x is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So I can substitute that value of x in this P of x. So P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. Then I can take this P of 1 as 0 in all cases because x minus 1 is a factor. So I can take this value is equal to 0. So in next line I can take 2 into 1 square. It is becomes 2. K into 1 is becomes k plus root 2 is equal to 0. So k is equal to, I can take both terms in that side. So minus 2 minus root 2. So the value of k is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. The same we can use the third subdivision. Third subdivision is P of x is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So that same x value we can substitute here. So P of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. This value is becoming 0, so that k into 1 square is becomes k minus root 2 into 1 is root 2, here plus 1, that value is becomes 0. So I can keep this k as in here, remaining terms will go to that side. So minus root 2 is becomes plus 2, minus plus 1 is becomes minus 1. So the value of k is becomes root 2 minus 1. Subdivision number 4, P of x equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. So in this case we can substitute that value of x as 1. So k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k, that value is equal to 0. So that k into 1 square is becomes k minus 3 into 1 is become 3 plus k is equal to 0. Here 2 times k has appeared, so no, don't worry, you just write it. K plus k is becomes 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. You can take this constant term to that side. So 2k is becomes 3. So k is equal to 3 by 2. So the value of k, this constant value is becomes 3 by 2. Example number 24. Use factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. They have given this p of x and g of x. We need to find it whether this g of x is a factor of p of x or not. Okay. So let me take first g of x is a factor that is equal to 0. Then we can get that constant value or we can get that variable value. Then you can substitute in this p of x. You will get the answer. If you may get the answer as 0, you can tell it is a factor, otherwise not. So first is subdivision. First we can take g of x is equal to 0. So from this I can take x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this x equal to minus 1. So I got that value x equal to minus 1. So let me substitute in p of x. So first let that p of x p of x equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. So in this case, I can substitute that value of x as minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So in that case, I can take 2 into minus 1 the whole cube is becomes minus 1 plus minus 1 the whole square is becomes plus 1 minus of minus it is becomes plus 2 into 1 is 2. Here 1 minus 1. Okay. So the value is becomes 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, the answer is becomes 0. When I got this answer as 0, I can tell g of x is a factor of p of x. Factor of p of x. Subdivision number 2, p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, g of x equal to x plus 2. We need to find out whether this g of x is a factor of p of x or not. So that first we can assume that factor as 0. So g of x is equal to 0. When g of x is becomes 0, we can tell x plus 2 is equal to 0. From this you can find the value of x, it is minus 2. So then we can substitute this x value in p of x. It is p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So you can substitute that value of x as minus 2. So I got that value as minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square. Minus 2 the whole square is becomes minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 4, 3 4s are 12. Here 3 into minus 2, it is becomes minus 6 plus 1. So you can add all the negative value, the same you can add the positive values. So minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14 plus 12 plus 1 is 13. So the value is becomes minus 1. It is not equal to 0. So you can tell that g of x is not a factor of p of x. Third subdivision, p of x is equal to x cube minus 4 x square plus x plus 6, g of x equal to x minus 3. The same steps we need to do here also. So g of x is equal to 0. From this you can tell this x minus 3 is equal to 0. So that x value is equal to 3. So I got that value of x. So I can substitute in p of x. So p of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. Okay. So 3 cube means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 4 into 3 square it is 9 plus 3 plus 6. Okay. So 27 minus 4 9s are 36 plus 3 plus 6 is 9. So you can add these two. It is 36 minus 36. That value is becomes 0. So you can tell that g of x is a factor of given p of x. Okay, so whenever I get that value is 0, I can tell it is a factor. If I not get 0, it is not equal to 0, you can tell it is not a factor of given p of x. Okay, hope you all have understood this video. If you need any clarification or if you had any doubt, you just comment in chat box. Thank you for watching.